question 2, module 2. We did it using pen and paper, but now we're going to do it in Excel. So the question asks, we want a present value of a stream of cash flows to be $6,700, and we're going to discount it at 7.1%, and then we have 4 different years of cash flows. What is the missing cash flow? So what I'm going to do is go into Excel and go ahead and set the timeline up. And I'm going to put $0 here. Let's just go back and look at the $1,400, $2,300, and $27. Let's do the interest rate up here. I'm going to bold these just because I think it looks better. The other thing is we don't know what the cash flow is in time 2. Let's put a placeholder here just so we can kind of see. Alright, so these are the cash flows in dollars at time 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's do the present value of each of those. So it's going to be equals the cash flow divided by the interest rate. So we're going to lock that, Command T, or F4 if you're on a PC, and then to the power of time. And I'm going to do that all the way across. And then I'm going to do net present value and take the sum of all of these. Oops. Hold on, let's make this bigger. Equals sum. There we are. So this is the sum of all of the cash flows. We want it to equal the 6,700. Now, one potential thing you can do, and I'm going to highlight these to make them look a little different than the other numbers. These are our input values. One thing we can do here is just guess. So if we start with $2,500, that does not give us $6,700, which is what we want. So let's go down to 2,000. Again, this is too high, so let's go down to 1,800. We're getting closer, but we want 6,700, so let's try 1,700. That's pretty close, but it's still a little high, so let's try 1,575. Almost exactly. We could go back and forth and guess like this, but notice that we only did about 3 guesses and we got really close. Another way to do this would be to go to the Data tab under What If Analysis. So I click Data here at the top and What If Analysis. And now I'm going to do Goal Seek. And Goal Seek says we're going to set a certain cell to a certain value, and we're going to get that value by changing a particular cell. So we want to change this cell, and we want it to equal $6,700. And the cell that we're going to change is the cash flow in year 2. And now we're just going to hit OK and let it do its thing. When it's done, it'll hit OK, or you hit OK. And the answer here is 1684 and change. And this is the answer for that question.